Hi, I'm Yonbo. I love hanging out in the breeze. Oh wait, that's not me, that's my Jason. I'm the little guy next to him. Jason's my best friend. We spend a lot of time together. When I'm home by myself, I usually just wait around bored, counting the minutes until he returns. We play all kinds of games. He's always full of surprises.
Yonbo, how to take the next step?
Easy. Look for a move with your rook.
And I'm always ready for fun. Sometimes I help him with tricky homework.
How many fingers do we have in total?
10, 5 on each hand.
And when we need a break, we sneak into the kitchen to see what Mom's making.
Now, in the final 30 seconds, add butter, garlic, and rosemary. Now you...
Be quiet.
She always laughs and shoos us out. As long as Jason's smiling, I'll do whatever it takes. My life is pretty wonderful.
Little pig, let me come in. Not by the hair on my chinny chin.
But sometimes, I can tell when something's not quite right.
10% last. Why are sales down 15% this month?
Even grown-ups have bad days.
All right, Yonbo. Let's get the
Upgrade complete. Ready to tackle the tough stuff. Let's go.
How do we stop wasting money on ads that don't work?
Start by making sure your ad messaging...
I don't know exactly what the problem was, but I'm always willing to help. My life couldn't be more perfect. With my family by my side, I wouldn't trade this life for anything.